Selling on Amazon is a massive opportunity, but here's the problem. Creating a winning product is very tough. The way you design your products can make or break your business. What do consumers actually want? How can you differentiate yourself from the other competitors in your niche and make your product actually stand out? Is there even enough demand in the market to justify launching your product in the first place? And how can you validate it and actually be sure? Who's your target customer? Do you even know? Is it 30-year-old nurses or stay-at-home moms or single parents over 40? Whatever, right? Are they buying for themselves? Are they buying for someone else? Is it a gift item, a seasonal item, a one-time purchase? These are questions you need to know when you're launching a product. In the highly competitive Amazon marketplace, launching a product that actually resonates with customers is key to success. Traditional methods of market research and product development and testing can be time-consuming and often miss critical insights. But that's why when you're launching a product, you need to be using a tool that's going to help you do so, like VOC.ai. It's a market research tool that I stumbled upon that leverages AI to automatically save you critical time and effort when trying to figure out the best features and angles to put into a product launch. It'll help you launch better products that customers will actually buy, do more streamlined market research instantly, better identify your target market and ideal buyer avatar, and also improve upon the design flaws of the top competitors with similar products in your industry. And that's going to make yours better and ultimately stand out. Now, this tool was primarily created obviously for Amazon sellers, since it's a Chrome extension that works on Amazon to gather all the data and insight from specific products and top competitors that also have those similar products to the one that you're thinking about launching. But realistically, you can use it to better launch a product anywhere, not just Amazon. Since Amazon is pretty much every product imaginable, you can use this tool to instantly digest valuable feedback from product reviews, customer suggestions, and improvements the market is desperately demanding. Instead of guessing, you can come up with a perfect product by letting AI do all the review analysis for you. By running the browser extension, you're able to see who your customers actually are, what they like and what they dislike about all those specific products, and what motivates them to actually buy, the ultimate usage scenario of each product, and so much more. Now, once you know what a winning product looks like for you, you can then either team up with a manufacturer to create a product if you're doing Amazon private label, for example, or if you're launching a new product on Amazon in any capacity. You could also look to find other competitive products that might better serve the market. So if you're drop shipping that product, for example, you'll have a happier and more satisfied customer with a better product that they receive. Now, VOC.ai simplifies the market research process by analyzing vast amounts of data from customer reviews on the listing, social media in general about it, and other online sources. This AI-driven approach provides sellers with deep insights on what customers within their industry and niche truly want. It eliminates the guesswork and saves you valuable time. Now, understanding your target market is obviously crucial for product success. Like Sam Ovens always says, you can't just launch a product that you think is cool or that you think might work. Instead, you should use the market backwards approach. Go to the market, go to them first, and see what they actually want first. Then launch yours based off what problems they're claiming they have, with your product being that solution. The issue with that is validating a product idea or talking to the actual market and going to it used to take a lot of time, but not anymore, since this tool can help you do it automatically. And you can learn in the blink of an eye all the previous customer purchasing behavior, all the customer demographic data, and everything else that you ultimately might want to know about the people who will actually pull out their wallets or their cards to buy your product before spending any time or money yourself. This is going to increase the likelihood of you actually launching a successful product tenfold. So if you'd like to take this for a test drive, you can try VOC.ai yourself through the first link in the description. Don't get left behind trying to copy everybody else's mediocre products and ultimately getting similar results or even worse. Instead, give this a shot and launch a product that actually is going to wow your customers and leave them wanting more. Hope it helps.